Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Working through previous exam papers is an excellent way to revise and prepare for your ABRSM Music Theory exam. I've worked through every single question of every past exam paper in grades 1 to 5 from 2014 to 2018 to help you really get to grips with your knowledge of music theory. In this short video, you'll find links in the cards and in the description box to all 5 videos to work through each question of grade 5 2018 paper A. Grade 5 draws on all of the information, the new information in the Music Theory and Practice workbook, in addition to all of the information covered in the previous grades. If you click on the link in the playlist in the description box, you'll find the videos where I work with you step by step through each question in the workbooks. And as an additional help, if you go to my website, you can download some free PDF information sheets to accompany each step in this series. There's also a page on my website with all of my YouTube videos listed, and you can also find out about the books that I have available. I've written an exam technique guide, how to take your ABRSM Music Theory exam. It's full of tips on how to make you best prepared for your exam come exam day. So if you go to sharonbill.com, you'll find it all there. If you can give me a like, that would be super, and please do subscribe and share out the videos. Enjoy your studies. See you next time. Bye.